Vaishnavi from Computer Science and Engineering Department from E section. Today my presentation is about jump statements in C with examples. Jump statements in C with examples. Introduction to jump statements in C. Jump statements in C are used to alter the normal flow of execution in a program. They allow for immediate transfer of control to another part of the program. Understanding jump statements is essential for writing efficient and controlled code. Now there are three statements in jump statements. Now the first one is a go to statement, second one is a break statement, and the third one is a continue statement. Now we are going to discuss the first one is the go to statement. The go to statement transfers control to a labeled statement within the same function. It is often used for error handling and breaking out of nested loops. Use of goto can make code less readable if overused, so it should be used judicially. Now the example of goto statement. Hash include stdio.h int main parenthesis open brace int num equals to 0 semicolon start colon print f open bracket open double quotes number colon percentage d slash n close double quotes comma num close bracket semicolon num plus plus semicolon if open bracket num less than or equals to 3 close bracket go to start semicolon return 0 semicolon close brace. Now the second one is a break statement. The break statement terminates the nearest enclosing loop or switch statement. It is commonly used to exit loops prematurely based on a condition. Break helps in a controlling loop execution flow effectively. Now the example of a break in a loop. Example, hash include stdio.h int main parenthesis open brace int I semicolon for open bracket I equals to 0 semicolon I less than 10 semicolon I plus plus close bracket parenthesis and the open the brace if open bracket I equals to 5 close bracket break semicolon print f open bracket open double quotes percentage d close brackets comma I semicolon close brace return 0 semicolon close brace. Now the third one is the continue statement. The continue statement skips the current iteration of a loop and proceeds to the next iteration. It is useful for skipping specific cases without terminating the entire loop. Continue helps in writing clear and more efficient loops. Now the example of a continue statement. Example, hash include stdio.h int main parenthesis open brace int I semicolon for open bracket I equals to 0 semicolon I less than 10 semicolon I plus plus close bracket open brace if close open bracket I percentage 2 equals to 0 close bracket continue semicolon print f open bracket open double quotes percentage d close double quotes comma I close bracket semicolon close brace return 0 semicolon close brace. Now the summary of the jump statements. Goto provides an unconditional within a function. Break exits loops or switches statements prematurely. Continue skips the current loop iteration and it moves to the next one. Now the best practices and cautions of a jump statements. Overusing goto statement can make code difficult to read and maintain. Use break statement and continue statement for clearer control in loops. Always we have to consider readability and maintainability when we are choosing the jump statements. Now the conclusion of a jump statements. Jump statements are powerful tools in C for controlling program flow. Proper use of these statements can lead to more efficient and readable code. Understanding their behavior and appropriate applications is key for the efficient programming. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Myself B. Sai Vaishnavi from CSC E section. Thank you.